So Forex is just an asset class. There's four main asset classes in trading. So you can trade stocks, which is companies. You can trade futures, which is commodities like corn, soybeans, oil. You can trade Forex, which is currency. So the difference between the Japanese yen and the American dollar or the Aussie dollar. Or you can trade options. Now, options is a derivative of stocks because it's companies. So there's four different asset classes, which I told you about. What I've realized recently, though, and what I really dislike is that lately the idea of trading Forex has been associated with different pyramid schemes, and they're nothing related. So trading trading Forex actually is trading currency. So you're just making money off the difference between the spreads. So if the dollar gets stronger versus the European euro, then you can make money off of those spreads, and that's a legitimate way to make money. If you can just imagine, like let's think in real time. Say you took the dollar and you went to Europe and you got some euros for it, and you were able to get 4 euros. But then the cost of the dollar went down compared to the euro. So when you came back home and you deposited those 4 euros back into American dollars, you actually made more money. That's how Forex is supposed to run. And you can read charts the same way that I teach people how to read charts with stocks. You can read charts to actually make money in those foreign exchange markets, the Forex markets. But what I've seen lately is there was like a guy who came to a college recently, and he did a presentation about Forex, and he said, oh, if you pay me such an amount of money, we'll teach you how to trade. But then when the students got into the class, they didn't learn how to trade. They learned how to go find more people, and then they made money on the number of people they were able to recruit. That's called a pyramid scheme. It's kind of something similar, and this is not a pyramid. I used to sell Mary Kay back in high school, but you also made money when you went and recruited more people to work under you. And so that was a big thing. You either sold the makeup or you recruited people. And there's several legit marketing businesses that are like that, but that's not how you trade Forex. Forex is learning how to read charts, learning how to actually trade the asset class of foreign exchange in the foreign exchange markets.